It's day 3 of my delivery challenge to earn £100 every day this week. Hi, I'm Stu, the older backpacker. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, the sun is shining, and it's day 3 of my delivery challenge, making money for me to go backpacking sometime in the next couple of months. The challenge involves me using the main delivery apps of Uber Eats, Deliveroo and Just Eat on my bicycle to delivering food, groceries to anyone in Darlington, my hometown. So far this week I have smashed both days of getting that £100, but unfortunately my body's telling me I'm a little bit too old at the age of 54 for doing something stupid like this. I should be doing challenges like carpet bowls, seeing how long I can sleep, or seeing how long I can sit in a beer garden drinking alcohol for, not cycling around town for 12-14 hours. My legs are in bits, my back is in bits, but at least I'm sleeping well. But it's a brand new day, the sun is shining. I'm hoping that it's not going to rain like it did yesterday. And I've already got my first delivery, which I've seen on my screen is going to be a long one. Let the day begin. It's 9 o'clock already. It has been a bit quiet, and so far my target for the day is £18.46. Now Wednesdays is notoriously bad for deliveries, so I was expecting it, and it could be a late one trying to get my target for the day, but I've just picked up another order going for a 2.5 mile journey. This will keep my legs working. So yesterday with the challenge I had problems with the rain and with the power on my mobile phone charging up. Last night I had problems with my laptop. It did not charge and I couldn't finish off my YouTube video to put online. So today is all about not just doing deliveries, but getting the laptop sorted out so I can carry on my YouTube adventures. So I've just picked up my laptop and I'm heading back into town to the computer repair shop. Now I'm quite lucky that on the way I've just picked up another order in town, and the order is going past the computer repair shop. It's a no-brainer. So a quick update, it's 10:30. I've done £33.25 so far for the day. For Wednesday, really good, and they're still coming through. So I just jumped off the last delivery and I went via the computer repair shop. Unfortunately, it's going to take about a week to sort out, to even have a look at it, because he's busy. So I'm going to have to try and find somewhere else while doing deliveries so I can sort out the laptop so the YouTube videos can be put on. So I'm heading back into town and see if there's any computer places I can search out. So I've been to a lot of the independent computer shops and they've all said that they would have to have the computer for at least a week for it to be repaired, which is no good for me. And now I've just been to one of the major computer department stores in town, and they've said they can do it, but it's corroded and it's going to take a week to get repaired, to get the parts. So I'm going to try somewhere else. Hopefully this will work, and I'm still doing deliveries as we go. Doesn't stop. I might have a solution that all the shops I've been to, all the computer repair places I've been to, do not want to touch my laptop. So I've just been to a second-hand shop, just bought a 2015 Apple Mac. Hopefully that'll do me for now. It's in my bag, but I'm still doing orders and I'm way behind on what I should be. But I've just picked one up. I'm going to do it now and hopefully I can get back home and can drop this laptop off without any spillages onto it. So I've come back home and this is the laptop I've just bought, and if I turn it around, I've just put the charger onto my broken one and it's working. Sod's law, I just bought a new laptop and all I needed was a charger. I'm going to put that on charge now and be back in about an hour so I can put last night's video on, and I just received an order. So I'm back out to try and get on track. One of the best sights you can see as a delivery guy is just a queue and a queue of cars trying to move, which means there's roadworks. And that means delivery guys in a car will not be coming up here. So for a guy on a bike, it's perfect. And it's days like these where you take all the opportunities you can, go through the parks. But it's just at 2:30 and I've managed to get £62.47. I am behind target, but I'm still going. Legs are sore. So it's 3:30 in the afternoon and I'm up to £66.49, which is not good. The afternoon's been very quiet, and I find that with these apps they are a little bit sensitive in that if you start refusing jobs or you cancel them at the last minute, then they stop offering them. So maybe because I was on the hunt for a computer this morning to get it fixed, that I did cancel a couple. Maybe the apps don't like me no more. Well, it's been an hour and I've managed to get another order. So it's now coming up to about 5 o'clock and I've done £80 and 83 pence, which makes me in a better position than when I was at lunchtime. But I am so hungry. I've had hardly anything to eat today, and to make it worse, I've got 9% battery on my phone. Perfect time to go back, grab a quick meal, charge everything up and get back out and get that last final £20. I need another nut again. That's the order collected. I'm on my way and I'm going to go dodging traffic as I go along, because I want to do as quick as I can, get as many orders as I can tonight. It's coming up to £7:30 and so far I've hit £98.68. I am in sniffing distance of getting to that target. But I'm heading through the town centre and it's quiet. And I've now got my final order, thank God. It's Nando's. So that was the last delivery to take me over the £100 mark. However, I have just picked up a quick Uber, and the only reason I'm doing it is I've not had one Uber all day. So an Uber Eats is getting done, and then I'll go home. It's 8:05. It's the latest I've worked. I am very tired. I'm now home, and day 3 is over. I've earned today a good amount. On Deliveroo, I earned £14.34. On Uber Eats, £3.30, and that is only because I took it at the last minute. And then on Just Eat, £87.92, giving us a grand total of £105.56. So I've reached the target. It's taken us longer than the other 2 days so far this week, and I'm hoping that tomorrow will be a bit shorter. So if you enjoyed the video, you know you've got to press the like button. If you want to see what happens on day 4, and hopefully it will not be as eventful as today or yesterday, press the subscribe button. But until next time, until tomorrow, bye bye for now.